another plane. Boy, the water's really moving me. What? Yeah, the water's really moving me. I was way over there. I didn't even realize I was moving. I'm far from where I started. Yeah, I was right at the dock there. I'll let you go.
This is so weird.
Yeah.
Just all the boats and the people and the planes.
People, planes, boats.
The highway. And it's like, wow.
It's crazy.
A long ways from making it.
Yeah. Are those whale watching planes, or what are they doing?
What?
What are those planes doing? Are they whale watchers? Another one coming. All going the same direction. Yep, a lot of jostling. A lot of jostling.
Yeah, I think the boats cause a lot of it.
Yeah, there's a lot of strong current too, though.
It's such a lake. Or is this part brackish water?
I think it's brackish.
There's just a lot of
I don't know, it could just be lake though, huh?
I don't know where it stops.
It goes out pretty far this way.
It's sideways.
I have, yeah, so you could kind of point to shore or point into it.